Ito yung vacant na house apartment, 2 bedrooms, townhouse up and down, and 1 bathroom, vacant and ready for occupancy, located in Bacoor City, Cavite. Hello everyone, kamusta kayong lahat? Ito yung vacant na house apartment, townhouse with 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom with garage. Open anytime for viewing, vacant and ready for occupancy. Located in Bacoor City, Cavite. Hello everyone, kamusta kayong lahat? Welcome back dito sa ating YouTube channel. And for this video, ito naman ang isi-share ko sa inyo dito sa information about dito sa ating na-visit at na-locate na vacant and ready for occupancy na house apartment for rent. Yes, para sa naghahanap ng house and apartment for rent bago malilipat ang pinakaupahang bahay. Ito po, bakante pa. Yan. Ito yung kalye sa may subdivision. Pwede mag-street parking. Also, meron tong parking garage dahil corner lot to. Yan, nakatiles na rin ng flooring, bagong pintura, may sariling metro ng kuryente at ng TV. So, yan, nakatiles na yan guys at may terrace. May provision na rin yan para sa mga aircon. So, okay, yes kids, yes pets, yes parking, yes pwede magtindahan. Yan, sa mga interested, kung gusto nyo bisitahin, pwede rin po ito makita anytime. Hello everyone! Kamusta kayong lahat? Welcome back dito sa ating YouTube channel. Ito naman yung vacant na house apartment na pwedeng magtindahan. 2 unit po ito, isa sa ground floor at isa sa second floor. So kung gusto niyo bisitahin para makita, pwede naman bisitahin niyo ng personal. So para makita niyo, ito yung vacant na house apartment sa Bacoor City, Cavite. House apartment for rent, 9,500 pesos monthly with 2 bedrooms. House apartment for rent, 9,000 pesos monthly with 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom. Hello everyone, kamusta kayong lahat? Maraming salamat sa pagbisita dito sa ating YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share. Follow and subscribe na rin kayo para lagi kayong updated sa tuwing meron akong bagong i-upload na house apartment. And yes guys, ito yung update sa ating mga na-visit at na-locate this week. Ayan, mga bakanteng pinapupang bahay ngayong July last week. Malapit na pong mag-August. Yes, as usual, marami pa rin tayong units na available. Ito naman ang unit na up and down, 2 units, ground floor and second floor. 10,000 pesos monthly sa ground floor, yung commercial space. Sa second floor po, 6,000 pesos monthly with 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom apartment. Stay tuned guys, marami pa akong ipo-post, i-upload, i-share sa inyong mga house and apartment. Kaya kung nagustuhan nyo ang ganitong klase ng content and video, please don't forget to like, comment, and share. Malaking tulong na yan para mag-grow ang ating YouTube channel.
Hello everyone, kamusta kayong lahat?
Salamat
Para sa
ulit.
mga nag-comment.
Hello everyone, ito yung vacant na house apartment, 2 bedrooms.